Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich here with your outlook for June 6, 2015. And this is the area low pressure that was plaguing us over the last couple days. Was off to our south. High pressure was over the Gulf of Maine, and the combination of the two gave us that onshore flow and all those clouds that we're dealing with for much of the week. And earlier in the week, when it was part of a frontal boundary, we actually had a lot of rain, but that is starting to move away finally. This system here is going to move off to the northeast, and we're going to be left over with a few, one last gasp, I should say, with just some leftover clouds and maybe some fog, drizzle, a few showers very early this morning, and then after that, once the front goes through, we're dealing with just mostly sunny skies. So we're going to have very vastly improving conditions this afternoon. We're going to go from 0 to 60 as in regard to the weather, with cloud cover being 100% in the morning, and then going to virtually nothing by the time we get to the evening, and then clear skies overnight. So take a look at the NAM high-res future simulated radar. Here's a look at 9 a.m. on Saturday. Just a few light showers, very light isolated showers here across northeastern Pennsylvania and extreme northwestern New Jersey here. I'm going to put this in motion, go a little bit further in time here. You see those dropping south here. This is still in the morning here. This is before noon across most areas here in Pennsylvania and central New Jersey. And then we get down here to get into the early afternoon, and that's now moved down to the south here. So again, this is just hit or miss here. You see a few here just popping up here and there. This is not a big deal. But some areas that do get under the showers and thunderstorms that will occur in the afternoon will be very brief, kind of like a 30 to 45 minute duration, not a big deal. That moves out of here, and as soon as that passes, mostly sunny skies move in behind it. So we're expecting that to move through, and that will not be an issue for our coverage area here. Once that does move through, we're going to get the mostly sunny skies here. You can see that here. Absolutely nothing here in our coverage area here once you get to the evening hours. We're going to move ahead a little bit ahead of time here and go to Sunday morning now, and see that high pressure sitting over the New England states here, pretty much anchored over our entire coverage area here. Here's your high pressure, and so that's going to leave us high and dry, and another mostly sunny day on Sunday. So the better the 2-day weekend days, if you had to make a comparison between the two, will be on Sunday. Those of you that are going to the Pocono race up here this weekend, or down here at the World War II air show down here in Reading, both locations look absolutely beautiful for this weekend, so no weather problems whatsoever. Going a little bit further in time here, we are going to have a cold front that's going to be approaching in association with this low pressure moving through the Great Lakes. That's going to move through our area here on Monday. It's going to bring us the opportunity for showers and thunderstorms. And you can see that here moving into our northwestern areas. Now the global models are a little bit slower with this. We're going to have to check out the timing of how this, when this exactly comes through. Because if it comes in later in the day, we're going to be dealing with more sun in the morning, and then kind of like an increase in clouds later in the day, and then some showers and thunderstorms moving in late afternoon through the evening. That's the best guesstimate right now. But if this front is delayed, like some models suggest, we are going to have that come through in the overnight hours now Monday night, and that would eliminate any severe potential that would be with this front. So we'll keep an eye on that, see what the timing is. We'll narrow it down, give you the My Pocket Meteorologist members a heads up if we get to that time frame where we're going to be able to narrow down the exact 4-hour window, and that probably will come over the weekend. But right now it's still up in the air. Going a little bit further in time here, this front will move through here, leave nothing but an isolated shower here on Tuesday. Isolated shower or thunderstorm, that's shown here on the global models here, where you have an isolated shower and thunderstorm on Tuesday. But after that point, we think we're going to be drying out for a couple days. Now, one thing we're going to be dealing with this week, as opposed to last week when it was very cool, very damp, very cloudy, we're not dealing with any clouds once you get to the midweek point onward. We're talking about mostly sunny skies, but also very, very warm temperatures. In fact, hot temperatures coming in here Wednesday and Thursday. We're talking about temperatures in the upper 80s to near 90 both days. And we're looking at, actually, Thursday is probably the better day to hit 90 degrees across the majority of our coverage area. So it's going to be a very, very hot day on Thursday. The question is, how long does that remain? Looks like we're going to have another, we're going to drop off a little bit as we get beyond Thursday, but we're still going back only to the 80s this time. We're not going back to the 60s and 50s and everything else like we had last week. We're going to drop off a little bit Not a synoptic system coming through here at all, but here's a look at Thursday, and nothing going on there. We will have a drop in temperatures here on Friday and Saturday as another system moves through with some more showers and thunderstorms here by Friday. But the big story is going to be the heat, the increasing heat as we get in through the middle of the week into the second half of next week. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich, and that is your outlook for June 6th, 2015. Have a great Saturday.